Good day everyone and welcome again to my channel. Today we'll be making ice cream with just two ingredients, which is the whipped cream and condensed milk. This is the best type of ice cream you can get anywhere. So if you are a lover of ice cream, please keep watching. So I have 1 cup of powdered whipped cream and quarter cup of condensed milk. I'll just go ahead to pour it in the bowl, the mixing bowl. Then I also have half cup of chilled water, very cold water. So I'll just add that to the whipped cream and set my whisk to mix that together. So I forgot to combine the whipped cream and the cold water together before whisking, so that is just what I'm doing now. After combining them with my spatula, I'll just continue with my whisking. So we're going to whisk until it has increased in volume, and also we should make sure that the bowl and the whisk we're using are also cold. This is to help the whipped cream stay stable for a long time and not turn watery. For me, I'm not okay with the consistency, so I'll just add little quantity of cold water. So even though I'm not a fan of color, I just want to add a little of this baby pink color to just make it colorful. So I'll just go ahead and divide the ice cream into two parts so I can add the color to one part. I'm just reducing the color now because I mistakenly added too much of it. What I need is just a little and it will give you what you want, except if you want it to be very deep. And when the color is too much, sometimes or most times it's usually have this bitter taste. So I had to reduce that. So this is it after staying in the freezer overnight. So you can go ahead and serve using this disposable cup. I hope you like this video. Please, if you've learned anything, give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.